Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video guys, we are going to start with the second question, that is choose the correct option and justify your choice. So choices are given in this question, so you need to find the answer and correct the choice, like sine, cos, tan is given in the question. I haven't written that choices, so now we will solve it. Sine 30 is guys, sine 30 is 1 by root 3, so I'll write here formula. So 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 whole square. So now it is, I'll make here 2 by root 3 divided by 1 plus 1 root 3 get cancelled, so we get 1 by 3. Now I'll write here 2 by root 3 divided by I'll cross multiply here, so it becomes 3 plus 1 by 3. Now I get here 2 by root 3 into, guys I am taking here as reciprocal, so it gets 3 by 4. Now guys I'll get here I'll cancel here, 2 1 are 2, 2 2 are 4, so I get here 3 to root 3. So now I'll take I'll do here rationalizing, so that I get 3 by 2 root 2 root 3 into root 3 into root 3. So if I divide both, I will get the same as 2 root 3. So now 3 root 3 divided by root 3 into root 3 gets 3. So this 3 and this 3 gets cancelled. So we get 3 root 2. So in the options guys, it's given here sine 30. So sorry, cos 60, sine 60 is given in the question. So the correct, take the option sine 60 guys. So this is the first bit of the second question. Now we move to the second bit. Guys, previously we have solved first bit, now we are going to solve the second bit. So tan 45 is 1 guys. So 1 minus 1 square and 1 plus 1 square, and it is 1 minus 1 and 1 plus 1. So we get 1 minus 1 is 0 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So we say that it's 0. So we check the option. What are the options given? So the option is given as 0 for the fourth. So we will take the fourth option. Now we move to the next bit. Previously solved first bit and second bit. So we are solving third bit, that is sine 2a and is equal to 2 sine a. Is true when A is an angle. So first we will set an angle A as 0. So sine 2a, 2 A is 0 and 2 sine A is again 0. So sine 2 bracket into 0 is again 0. So sine 0 it becomes, and 2 sine 0 is sine 0. So again it is 0 is equal to 0. So A is, they both are equal when A is equal to 0. Now we move to the fourth bit, that is it is given that guys, if tan A plus B is equal to root 3 and tan A minus B is equal to 1 by root 3, such that 0 degree is less than A plus B or less than equal to 90 degree. So guys, we have to find that value of A and B. Tan A plus B, we have first equation as root 3 and second equation as tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3. So now we have to find, I'll write here, find a and b. So this is given, we have to find it, that's given in the, this is two equations are given in the question. So now tan a plus b is equal to tan 60 is root 3. So tan 60 and tan gets cancelled. A plus b is equal to 60 degrees. And here tan a minus b and tan 60 is 1 by root 3. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So tan 30 and again tan 30 and again tan and tan get cancelled. A minus b is equal to 30. So this is first equation, this is second equation. By solving first and second equation, we will write here a plus b is equal to 60, a minus b is equal to 30, and we will solve it. So it is 2a, this both gets cancelled and is equal to separate. So it gets 90, a is equal to 45, as 2 4s are 8, 1 2 5 are 10. So tan angle A is 45. Now we need to find angle B. So again we need to like substitute A value in first or second equation. So we use first equation, or we use second equation. A minus b is equal to 30. A is equal to 45 minus b is equal to 30, and b is equal to 45 minus 30, and we get the final value as b is equal to 15. So we got the value of a and b. So we have done with the third question. This was the third question from the exercise 8.2. And if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe, and if you have any doubts, please do comment below. Thank you.